what's cool about piano? Let me narrow it down from a million things to 10 basics. One, it was invented by Bartolomeo di Francesco Cristofori in 1726. 2, its name. Its official name is pianoforte, which in Italian means loud soft. The piano originated from the harpsichord, which had plucked strings and therefore one volume. The pianoforte has a mallet that hits 3 or 4 adjacent strings and can be hit at different speeds, therefore different volumes. 3, keys. There are a lot of keys. There are 88 keys, 52 white and 36 black. 4, black key patterns. Why are there black and white keys in the first place? Simply put, it helps us keep track of them all. Black keys come in patterns of 2s and 3s. These patterns help you know where every note is. For instance, in the middle of a pattern of 2, you'll always find a D. 5, note names. Each white key has an alphabet letter name, A through G, then back to A again. Each black key is a flat or sharp. This note above D is a D sharp. This note below D is a D flat. 6, range. It is one of the biggest ranges of any instrument. Here's the low side, lower than a tuba, and here's the high side, higher than a piccolo. 7, half steps and whole steps. All adjacent keys are a half step apart. 2 half steps make a whole step. A half step will look like this, or this, or this. A whole step will look like this, or this, or this. 8, octaves. From one D to the next D is 1 octave. Generally, there are 8 notes in a full major scale, and that's where the word octave comes from. So if I start on a D and end on a D, I've played a full octave. You can also try playing all the keys in between, and there will be 12. Nine, pedals. Let's take a look at these foot buttons. Just kidding, they're called pedals. On the left is the soft pedal. The middle is the sostenuto pedal, occasionally called a practice pedal, and the right is the sustain pedal. 10. Why is it so popular? There are quite a few reasons. 1. It's very easy to transport to other places. Oh wait, it's not. But it's surprisingly easy to learn. Lots of instruments need breath or bowing technique to play just one note. On the piano, you simply press a key and it plays. It's also easy to understand harmony and intervals visually because all the adjacent keys make patterns. Now, go try playing something yourself. You can find new videos and tutorials from Hoffman Academy every week. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Happy practicing!